Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady M Beauty. Today I will be getting into my Beautylish Lucky Bag XL for 2025. Super excited to be unboxing my lucky bag in today's video with you guys. Maybe I'm lucky, maybe I'm not so lucky. We'll find out together in today's video. So if you're new here, my name is Melissa. I go by the name Lady M Beauty online. If you're a lover of all things luxury, beauty, and lifestyle, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We'll love to have you join the Lady M fam, and let's just go ahead and jump right into my Beautylish Lucky Bag 2025 unboxing. Let's go. All right, so excited to be back with another lucky bag unboxing. So I've been doing these probably every year for maybe the past 3 or 4 years, maybe. You can go back and check out these videos here from my previous lucky bag unboxing from Beautylish. So this year is no different. I always pick up the XL bag, and that's what I picked up today. So if you're not familiar with the lucky bags are just mystery bags of beauty products and a little bit extra surprises if you're actually lucky, right? So the value of the bag, I got the XL bag, so I paid $150, and the value of the bag should be equal to upwards of $300 worth of products. So as we go through the bag, I will have the total value of my bag right here on the screen, and then I'll also have the names of the products and the prices on the screen as well, so that way you can kind of add and do the math at home as we get into today's unboxing. So like I said, if you're not familiar with this Beautylish lucky bags, they're just filled with random products. So there's no way to know what you're getting in the bag, but your value is supposed to be upwards of $300. I think they have a regular original bag where you're able to customize it by your shade. So you could do the light to medium and then the medium to deep. And that one, you're going to get upwards of $150 worth of products. And then they have the Wayne Goss Lucky Bag XL, which is just a bag full of Wayne Goss products. And you may also get some brushes in it as well. And then they have the get one, give one lucky bag. So you pay $150 and receive one, and then they'll donate another one on your behalf to whatever organization. And then they have the Jeffree Star lucky bag, and that one is just $75, and then you're gonna get $150. They're no longer available. You kind of have to sign up for the early access and then shop the lucky bags. They come out like after Christmas time. So I think the day after Christmas is when you're able to purchase, and then they ship them in January. So I just got my lucky bag maybe this week, earlier in this week. So I was very ready to sit down, and I wanted to open it up, but I wanted to do that with you guys, and that's what we're gonna do today. It's not open, it's still sealed, and we'll get into it. So any information, any details you want to know about the lucky bags, I'll be sure to put it in the description box down below, so you can go and check it out down below. And then let us go ahead, and I'm gonna pick up my box. I have it right here next to me, and it has the Beautylish, I don't know what you call that, their logo, whatever, on the box. And then you can see it's sealed. So without any further ado, let me unseal this box, if you will. And I made space right here next to me. So we're gonna go ahead and just open up our box. I just gotta move my foundations out of the way and move that over. And we're getting set up just to kind of place this right here and get our unboxing on. Like that. And I'm sorry for not looking on the camera. So got the box, got it open, and then let's see. It always comes with like whatever the theme is or their artistry design for the year. So that is what it looks like. Has the Beautylish logo, the B, and then it says Lucky Bag 2025. So, let's see. It says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." So I'm gonna just take this so you can see how it comes wrapped, and the art design is kind of around. So I'm putting it back in the box, taking the paper out, and then the other thing is it comes in like in this bubble wrap, so I can just literally open it up. But I really wanted to see the design. This is the design, and then it has the little thingy right there. So you see the little Japanese girl. All right, so let us get into the unboxing. And I'll say previously my lucky bags have been pretty decent. I never had, I mean, maybe once or twice I may have had like a dud, but for the most part I would say I have gotten pretty decent bags. But just go ahead and check out, if you feel like binge watching a couple other lucky bag unboxings, I will link the playlist here for you, and you can just sit and kind of watch a little bit of those videos. All right, so the first thing on top that I picked out is the ORIBE Run Through Detangling Shampoo. It's a pretty decent size. Yeah, Run Through Detangling Shampoo. Okay. For all hair types and textures that tend to tangle. I'm gonna need this because you can see the curls are here, and it's best to kind of, I try to detangle, but I use like a no poo or poo thingy first, and I try to do a lot of my detangling. I don't use a comb. I just put some gloves on, and then I just kind of finger detangle. And then once I have like my deep condition, something that has a lot of slip, then I'll do some detangling. So this will be kind of interesting to see how this product does. Does it have a smell? I'm very leery. Has a slight smell. I've never used ORIBE products before, so this will be my first time, but as you can tell, I'm well in the market. If you guys know if this is good or not, be sure to let me know in the comments. I'm always looking to know if it's a dud or if it's a yes. So that's the first product that we have that I was able to pull out. So hair care is there. They always include these clips in the bag. I still have the one from last year, and it's always with this brand KITSCH. So this is a recycled plastic claw clip, and I like these. So when I wash my hair and I'm like styling or I'm detangling or I'm working in product, I like to use these to kind of like pull my hair up or put it in sections, and then I use these as my holders for my hair. So I always enjoy those because they seem to always be in it. Okay, so this is AURIC, AURIC. I think I had this last year or something similar to this last year. It's called Plush Ritual Ceramide Lip Treatment. And this is Plush Ritual Bare, and it has like this embossing right here that you can kind of, I'm just feeling it, but you may not be able to see the divots, but it's right here, and it's bare. So I love a good lip treatment. So one day I feel like I just need to go through all my lip products and show you. So this is a lip balm, and it comes with the nice spatula right there. Again, if you have used this, then be sure to let me know like what you guys think, because I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before. All right. So got another lippy product. Always, as per the usual, you can always guarantee there's gonna be a Good Molecules product inside the Lucky Bag. This is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is formulated with niacinamide, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. I do know this is a favorite. I haven't personally used this before, but I have had friends that have said that this is amazing. So definitely something worthy of trying. And Good Molecules, their price point is usually pretty reasonable. And I think at one point they used to only be available at Beautylish, but now I want to say Ulta has them as well. And this is a glass bottle, guys, so super nice. Like it a lot. Okay, so skincare here, we got that so far. What is this? I always get a Viseart palette. Like, what? So this is London Itole. And I'm assuming that this is like the shades of this palette right here. I'm going to pull it out. So this is the Petite, one of their like petite palettes, and look how cute that is. And it's called London, and it has Viseart written right there. And then on the back, you see it right there. And then you just, it opens up, and there you go. Those are the shades. So a nice little purple moment, which would be a vibe with today's look. This right here, this one. So yeah, I seem to be getting these every year because I got one of these last year as well. So makeup. I got a brush. Always love Sonia G. And this is the Fundamental Worker. This is, and I think this is in her, one of those, the wooden handle collection. I don't really know what collection that one is, but there it is, the brush. And it's a worker, so you could do a packer, you could do some blending, softening. It's a worker. It's meant to work. Let the brush do the hard work. I have a lot of Sonia G brushes, so I'm definitely no stranger to that. All right, next up, ooh, amazing. I have a blush. This is the Nessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flush. This is in the shade Rose and Brunch, so pretty neutral, nude-ish color, bronze-ish kind of color. That's the color, but it doesn't look like this in the packaging. I want to say that I have this color already, but I can definitely show that what it looks like if I have the one that I have around here somewhere. All right, I have two more things left in my box. And what is this? This is Botanic Pretty 5 Even Tone Brightening Serum Mask for all skin types. It comes with 5, it says 5 pieces. So maybe it comes with 5 masks. It says to achieve the best, you're gonna leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Suitable for all skin types. It's formulated without SLS, SLES, surfactants, parabens, mineral oil, alcohol, artificial fragrance, and synthetic colorants. Vegan and not tested on animals. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's paraben-free. So I've never heard of this line before. So Botanic Pretty 5, something like that. It's white packaging, and then it has like this bronze kind of writing. Okay, this is the first time I haven't gotten anything Wayne Goss. And the last thing is this Natasha Denona palette. This is the Roxa palette, and I actually had my eyes on this palette. I thought it was super pretty. I love the good purple colors. So this is the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. Ooh, it's very pretty. There we go. That is the palette. Yes. Do we like her? And that was it, guys. I'm not really not really know how I'm feeling right now. Like, for real. It seems like it's okay. I'm not mad at it at all, but I feel like I have gotten stiffed a little bit because I usually get a lot more products. I have hair care, I got a blush, I got a palette. I got two palettes actually. So the Viseart palette and the Natasha Denona palette. So what do you guys think? Was I lucky or was I unlucky? Because these palettes I think are like $69. I'm really looking online to see this here Botanic Petite to see how much that is. Okay, so this is $54. This right here is $54. This is about $69. Let's see. I want to be like, ORIBE is probably pretty expensive. So I probably have maybe $300 worth of products here. But again, I will list the total value of my box right here on the screen. And that's pretty much everything I have in my Beautylish Lucky Bag 2025. You tell me, was I lucky or was I like stiffed? Was my bag great or was it meh? All right, so be sure to let me know in the comments down below what you think about my box, my bag, my Lucky Bag 2025 from Beautylish. I feel like I'm underwhelmed, honestly. I feel like last year I had a way better bag, but that's the gamble you take, right? It's the risk you take. But nonetheless, I'm happy to have some new products that I can try, and definitely things that I know that I will use. So I'm not really mad at that. So yeah, that's my thoughts on my Lucky Bag. Be sure to let me know your thoughts. Let's talk about it down below. And guys, that's it for today's video. Yes. Before we go, if you aren't subscribed, please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. Would love to have you join the Lady M fam. And that's it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.